Okay, I can't put this anywhere else, can I? Ugh, hold on.
It's Britney, bitch.
Hi, Internet. How are you? If you don't know my face, my name is Brian or Brian, or whatever you want to call me, because I don't care. Today, as you can tell by the title of this unboxing, we are going to be unboxing something that costed me way too much money. An absurd amount of money. Crazy amount of money. Just disgusting. So, let's hope I get lots of views on this video.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, this purchase costed me way too much money, and I'm not very proud of it, but it's for the content. M1 MacBook Pro. I got the space gray, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and we're going to be unboxing it today.
Yeah, no shit, honey!
Here is how the box looks. It's huge. How amazing, how beautiful, how fantastic, how splendid. Okay, so the reason why I bought this computer is because the current computer, which I actually have right here, it is a 2017 MacBook Pro, without the touch bar, but this is how it looks. No touch bar, everything like that. It's been pretty reliable for the past 3 years, but I've been running out of storage like hell in this thing. I have just been having so many issues with rendering. It's been a mess. I got my stimulus check, and I was like, you know what? This one is going on eBay. I just put it up on eBay, so hopefully I make money out of this. Otherwise, this computer is going back, and then I'm just going to keep this computer. Because if I don't get any money off this computer, I'm going to be very, very pissed off. So hopefully I make good money off this one. Otherwise, this one was a bad investment. I got this computer from my local Apple store. I'm in the red. Enough of me yabbering and talking. Let's get this unboxing going. Okay, let me zoom back out because that's bad. That's that. Ooh, I'm so sorry. I'm a bad YouTuber. So well, that fucking sucked. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna peel it off. Ooh. Look at it. Let me smell the box. Smells nice. I'm not a professional unboxer, so I apologize again, but come on. Oh my god. Y'all can look at it first. I was stupid and decided to get the silver MacBook last time, so I'm very happy I got Space Gray. Let's remove this from its packaging. Here it is. It's very nice. It's actually, I think, the same exact weight as my last one. This one's heavier. Okay, yeah, this one is actually a lot heavier. I'm surprised. Oop, the ghost closed the door. Oh, it is so pretty. I love the way this looks. I love the space gray already. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a perfect, beautiful machine. How does it smell? It smells like a new Apple product. Smells like fresh vegetables. Yes, I did in fact smell my MacBook. Mind your own business, Shelby. The box smells like fresh vegetables, and I think I love it. So here is that. Here's the cube. I think the cube's bigger. Is it? No, it's the same size. Ooh, new paper. So let's... Oh. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see. Wait, are they? Oh, they gave me Space Gray Apple stickers. Oh my god, look at that. This is more exciting than the fucking computer. Then we get a new cord, which I don't like how the way they wrap this cord, because you're never ever going to get this cord back in the box like this. It's never going to happen. It's such a nice box, like literally beautiful. Okay, so let's open this up together, because I know it's supposed to go instantly on, so I'm not ready for it. Are you ready for it? Ooh! Oh, the keyboard looks different too. Oh, the touch bar! Look at that, the touch bar! Oh my god, the touch bar! Oh my god, hello. It says language. English. Okay. Oh my god, I love the new keyboard. The keyboard is so much nicer. So nice. It's silent. Migration assistance. Okay, so I'm going to migrate everything I had on my old laptop to this one, because I think I'm going to do that. So it's going to transfer everything from my old Mac to this new one.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, so it's been about maybe 2 or 3 hours since I filmed the unboxing video. Oh my god. Stupid Siri's going off. I'm taking the fucking Apple Watch off. Every time I film a video about Apple products, my fucking Siri goes off. So Siri's a fucking stupid bitch. Anyways, so it's been a couple hours, and here I have it here. It is actually finally set up completely. Thank God. It is so beautiful. I love this thing. It is so much faster. Like, let me show you. So this is the cool instant on feature. So look at, it's already on. And then of course I have Touch ID set up. So I just Touch ID my finger. Well, bam. I am in my MacBook. So I've been playing The Sims on it. I just ran a Sims test on it. It is silent. Like, it's a little bit hot because it's running through Rosetta 2, which is like the program that uses for emulation. They're not supported by the new processor yet, but it's running through emulation. It is smooth, but it's a little bit, runs a little bit hot. It's a little tiny bit lag. So far, I'm absolutely loving it. I tried editing on it. I haven't finished that yet, but as soon as I figure out how to edit, it's gonna be game changing. I still have 301 gigabytes free. So this is great because I usually edit it off of an external drive, and I think that if I do my videos correctly, I can actually edit off of the internal SSD, because I actually edit it off of a external 2 terabyte hard drive. And a hard drive versus an SSD is completely different. I am in love with the touch bar. The touch bar is so freaking cool. I am so glad I got the MacBook before they got rid of the touch bar, because apparently they're getting rid of the touch bar on, I don't know if that's probably the more expensive MacBook Pros, but I love it. I love it. The only thing that I wouldn't complain a little bit about is that it only has, of course, 2 USB-C ports, but I've been living with 2 USB-C ports for the past 3 years, so it's not that big of a deal. Let's do some comparison shots. Okay, so both computers are turned on. They're on their home screen, so let's see how quickly this takes to go to the normal screen. So let's just see. Okay, pretty standard. As you can tell, the processor fan is already on. Let's see how quickly this one goes. Literally almost instantaneously, and then boop. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm not doing anything on this computer, and it's already freaking overheating. The fan is on already. Literally, that's how my fan is, like, half the time. Like, it's just the fan's on 24/7. It doesn't stop. This guy, no fan. It is cool, 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 cool. This guy is already, not hot already, but the fan's already on, which is kind of annoying, so. Alright, you guys, that is it for my unboxing video. My review on the new 2020 MacBook Pro M1 edition is that this one...
This is so fast.
This is ridiculously fast, and I spent the perfect... I'm glad with my purchase. I'm glad that I got this computer. Even though that I'm kind of a little bit in debt right now, I love this computer so much. It's amazing, it's great, it's fantastic. I'm in love. So, that's my review on the new MacBook Pro. So, anyways, that is it. I shall see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to click the notification button to get notifications on any time I upload. And I shall see you guys in the next video. If you want a MacBook Pro, get the M1. Just get the M1. Don't get the stupid Intel one. That's it. That's my video. Okay, I'm gonna go edit this video now. Bye.